Tomb Raider. No, he said go all the way down. Oh my god. Okay, do not look down. I can't do this. Okay, somebody go first. You see that? Don't look down. Do not look down. Don't look down. Don't look down.
I'm going all the way to the end,
Yeah,
regardless.
just don't look down.
I was like,
You guys scared to look down?
there you go. You got the camera. Get a picture right there.
What's the weight limit on this? Really?
That's actually scary. The Eiffel Tower was scary.
So imagine those movies jumping out of these.
See my teeth. That's my teeth.
So $30 is worth it.
I think it's worth
Pretty
it.
intense. I got a video. I made a video.
Yeah.
I
No, wait.
don't look much on your glasses.
I'm glad we didn't do no tour guides. Dude.
This is so cool.
Duh, it's all the wind. Can the GoPro get out? Oh, perfect. Hold
I know. Hold on, dude.
Now we're stuck. Good.
Was it your glasses?
No, I was looking for my wife.
He didn't say just
Well, I got the GoPro. Let's stay at the end and go again. One more time. In case I forgot. That's $30 worth it. She's, just don't die GoPro. Vault.
Hey, this looks like wood though.
How's that wood?
Like wood with covered in concrete.
Oh, they probably tunneled them with wood. What they do is they put a yeah, they put the concrete. You know how to do the concrete, right? They make it like the shape. Yeah. We came perfect time too. What if it's like
Okay.